Why does it rain? Have you ever wondered why sometimes the sky suddenly fills with dark clouds and drops of water begin to fall to the ground? Rain may seem simple, but it is one of nature's most important and fascinating processes. Without it, life on Earth would look completely different. Let's explore step by step why it rains and how this amazing cycle works. Rain begins its journey with the sun. The sun shines on rivers, lakes, seas, and even small puddles, warming the water and making some of it rise into the air. This process is called evaporation. Even though we cannot see it, the water slowly turns into invisible vapor and floats up into the sky. Every day, huge amounts of water leave the oceans in this way, quietly rising into the air. As the vapor rises higher, the air becomes cooler. The cooler air turns the invisible vapor back into tiny drops of liquid water. This change is called condensation. These tiny drops gather together and form clouds. At first, the drops are so small and light that they can float in the air easily, carried by the wind across long distances. That is why clouds can travel far from where the water first evaporated. The more vapor rises, the more drops gather inside the clouds. Slowly, the clouds become thicker and heavier. If you have ever looked at the sky and seen bright white, fluffy clouds, those are made of small drops. But when the clouds turn dark and gray, it means the drops inside are getting bigger and heavier. Inside the cloud, the drops bump into each other and stick together. Some grow into much larger drops of water. Eventually, they become too heavy to stay floating in the sky. At that moment, gravity pulls them down and they fall to the ground as rain. Rain is not only interesting to watch, but it is also absolutely necessary for life on Earth. Plants use rain to grow tall and strong. Rivers and lakes are filled by rainwater, and animals